Wise top-up failed. Fix. If your Wise top-up fails, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check the failure reason. Open Wise and see why your top-up didn't go through. Step 2. Check your payment method. Make sure your card or bank account is active and has enough funds. Step 3. Verify your account. Complete any pending verification steps in Wise. Step 4. Check for card or bank restrictions. Some banks block online or international payments, so try another card if needed. Step 5. Retry the top up. Once everything is fixed, try topping up again with the correct details. Step 6. Contact Y Support. If it still fails, contact Y Support in the app with your top up reference. Tips: use a debit card, ensure online payment support, and save your reference. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Wise top up that failed. Thank you for watching.